morning, everyone. We are the Group 8, and we're here to tackle about soil resources.
Okay, soil properties. All soils contain mineral particles, organic matter, water, and air. The combination of these determine the soil's properties, its texture, structure, porosity, chemistry, and color. Soil texture. Soil is made up of different sized particles. Soil's texture refers to the size of the particles that make up the soil. The particles that make up the soil are categorized into three groups by size, which is sand, silt, and clay. Sand has the biggest particles of them all, which has 2.0 to 0.5 millimeters, while silt has 0.5 to 0.2 millimeters. Lastly, clay is the smallest particle of them all, which has less than 0.2 millimeters. As you see, these are their close-up. So sand is the largest one and the clay is the smallest one. Sand soil feels gritty, or it means magaspang when rubbed between your finger. Silt feels smooth. Kung hawakan nyo siya, parang siyang flour. Clay are sticky and moldable. Alam niyo yung toy clay and pottery clay? They are made of clay, obviously. Soils are made up of different combinations of sand, silt, clay, and particles. Soils that are mixture of sand, silt, clay are called loams. Ano nga ba ang loams? Ito yung example ng loams from New Zealand. The name of the soil often identify determinant particle, for example, Timaru silt loam. Timaru silt loam tawag dito. Describe a soil that has predominance of silt. Ano ibig sabihin ng predominance of silt? Ibig sabihin siya yung pinakabata at saka pinakamataas na soil sa kanila. So, kung mapapansin niyo itong dalawa, sila yung pinakaluma kasi nasa ilalim sila. While ito yung nasa taas. So, yun yung predominance of silt. Then, other example of New Zealand soils, and soils are Waikari clay and Tecopur sand. Soil structure are described the way the sand, silt, and clay particles are clumped together. Di kaya magkakadikit. Pansin magkadikit. Soil structure refers to the arrangement of soil separated into units called beds or soil aggregates. Ano nga ba ang beds or soil aggregates? Ito yung itsura ng beds. Yung magkahalo ang mga particles, which is sand, silt, clay, and even organic matters. Organic matters like roots ng mga plants, mga leaves, or anything, basta magkahalo-halo sila. Yun yung beds. So, they could be granular, blocky, columnar, flatly, massive, or single grain. Ano yan? Mga beds din yan. Kung halo-halo yung mga particles sila. So, ang structure ng granular, ito yung structure ng granular. Yung blocky naman, ang structure naman ng blocky is pagano siya. Then, yung columnar naman, similar sila ng blocky. Yung blocky kasi maliit siya. Yung columnar naman, yung mahaba. Tapos, yung flatty naman, syempre, obviously naman, flat. Flat yung ano niya, yung surface niya. So, ganito yung tsura niyan. Yung parang may linya-linya sa gilid-gilid. Tapos, lastly, massive or single grain. Parang siyang cereal na maliliit-liit na or parang siyang food dog yung structure niya. And yung mga itsura ng structure ng limang yan. So, soil porosity refers to the pores within the soil. positively influence the movement of air and water. So, ito yung soil porosity. May pagkaiba-iba sila ng mga structure. Yung ito, may soil kasi na na magkadikit-dikit, wala siyang butas or di kaya wala siyang daan. Yung unconnected pore space, magdidikit siya pero may butas siya, may pore siya. Tapos, yung connected pore space, may siya, may daan. Yun. So, healthy soil or good quality soil structure have many pores between within the aggregates and friable or crumbly siya. And have fine aggregates so the soil break up easily if it's squeezy. Then yung pore soil structure has pores very firm, clots or no structure at all, have a few visible pores and crack or hole. Yung yung health soil siya, malalaman mo kung healthy soil siya kapag pag squeeze mo siya, madali siyang mag-fall apart or mag-break apart. Tsaka marami siyang pores doon sa niya. Yung pore soil structure naman, malalaman mo kung may firm clots, tapos wala ding structure, tapos marami few visible pores, tapos marami siyang crack and holes. So, malalaman mo rin siya kapag mukha siyang patay or lanta or dry. Soil color mostly comes from organic matter and iron. Topsoil is often dark because of organic matter. An even single color indicates the soil is well drained. In contrast, rusty spots and gray patches, sometimes even a light green color indicates poor drainage. So yung nakikita nyo, yung kaya maitim yung sa taas kasi di ba mostly yun yung naapakan ng mga tao, mga ginagamit. Di ba pag may isa kang bagay na madalas mong ginagamit ang nangingitim sa dudum niya, parang ito lang, nasa top kasi siya, tapos ito nasa ilalim. So, lagi kasi siyang nababasa or naapakan ng mga dumi, kaya nangingitim siya. Ito parang new siya tapos malinis.
So, ito naman yung mga major soil types. Sandy, silty, clay, peaty, and sandy soils. Dito tayo sa sandy. Sandy soils has the largest particles among the different soil types. It's dry and gritty to the touch, and because the particles have huge spaces between them, it can hold onto water. Ito yung mga nakikita natin sa shore, yung mga soil na parang magagaspang pag tinouch nyo. And kapag nilagyan nyo siya ng tubig, hindi niya kaya i-hold yung water. So next is silty. Silty soil has much smaller particles than sandy soil. So it's smooth to the touch when moistened. It's so thick when you roll it between your fingers. Dirt is left on your skin. So para din siyang sand pero mas maliliit yung spaces niya at nakakapag-hold siya ng water. So kapag ginanyan nyo siya sa daliri nyo, yung dirt pupunta sa fingers nyo. So naman tayo sa clay. Clay soil has the smallest particles among the three soils. It has good water storage qualities. It's sticky to the touch when wet, but smooth when dry. Ito naman yung ginagamit sa paggawa ng pot. Nakakapag-hold siya ng water, kaysa sa silty soil. Dito sa clay, ito yung mga nakikita natin sa mga farms natin. Ito yung pinagtataniman ng mga wheat or palay. Next is peaty. Peaty soil is dark brown or black in color, soft, easily compressed due to its high water content, and rich in organic matter. Peat soil started forming over 9,000 years ago with the rapid melting of glaciers. This rapid melt drowned plants quickly and died in the process. Their decay was so slow underwater that it led to the accumulation of organic area in concentrated spot. Dito naman, yung mga na-decompose na halaman, yan yung nakikreate nila. Next is saline soils. Saline soils. The soil in extremely dry regions is usually brackish because of its high salt content, known as saline soil. It can cause damage to and stall plant growth, impede germination, and cause difficulties in irrigation. So dito, hindi mas sa saline soil, hindi siya maganda para pagtaniman kasi mas babagal yung growth nung plant kasi low lang yung nutrients na nakukuha ng plants. Then,
Soil conservation and regeneration. Soil conservation is the protection of soil from erosion and other types of deterioration so as to maintain soil fertility and productivity. It generally includes watershed management and water use. So basically, ito yung prevention of soil loss. And these are the ways to prevent soil loss. First is the terraced farming, a method of carving multiple flat leveled areas into hills. Next is contour plowing. Plowing groups into the desired farmland, then planting the crop furrows in the groups and following contours. Alley cropping. The planting of trees or shrubs into two or more sets of single or multiple rows in agronomic, horticultural, or forage crops cultivated in the alleys between the rows of wood plants. And windbreaks, row of all trees used in dense patterns around the farmland and prevents wind erosion. Soil regeneration. As a particular form of ecological regeneration within the field of restoration ecology is the act or idea of replenishing the earth's soil with the beneficial nutrients in using natural methods. So ito yung pagre-regenerate ng soil loss. Ang pinagkaiba ng soil regeneration sa soil conservation, pinoprotektahan mo yung soil para hindi mawala. Tapos sa soil regeneration, pagre-regenerate nung nawalang soil.
Next is soil management in the Philippines. Soil management is an integral part of land management and may focus on differences in soil types and soil characteristics to define specific interventions that are aimed to enhance the soil quality for the land you select. Good soil management is crucial for maintaining productivity and conserving the hilly lands. Did you know that hilly lands in the Philippines are estimated at 9.4 million hectares or about 31% of the land area? Tapos, dun sa hilly lands na yon, multi-soils ang makikita dun. So, merong mga ginagamit na techniques yung Philippines para ma-manage yung soil. Yung una yung indigenous technical knowledge kung saan pag sinabi natin indigenous, mga galing sa trubo. Since yung Philippines, doon naman tayo nagsimula dati. Yung unang job natin is, unang hanap buhay noon ay magtanim, etc. Kaya yung mga nagamit nila dito, ginagamitan nila, nagsimula lang yan sa indigenous technical knowledge or yung mga sinaunang kaalaman na in-evolve lamang. Next is mechanical structures kung saan ito yung these techniques are employed to control the movement of water, reduce runoff velocities, increase surface storage, and dispose of excess water safely. So, ito yung pinakasikat ngayon sa Philippines when it comes to soil management, which is the Banawe Rice Terraces sa Cagayan. So, yung ginagawa kasi ng terraces, ganito. Example, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pag umulan, anong mangyayari? Kapag bundok kasi, pag ganito lang siya, di ba? Kapag umulan, mag-flow yung water. Mag-flow. Ang mangyayari, matatabunan yung mga nasa ilalim. Example, may bahay dyan. Kapag gumawa sila ng terraces, ang mangyayari, na-absorb nun yung impact. hindi siya magpo-flow kadalasan. Mangyayari, yung tubig ma-absorb nitong nasa flat na area. Siguro example niyan, saan ka mas babagsak? Sa hagdan o sa slide?
Sa breakan, buwa. Sa breakan.
So di ba sa slide ka mas babagsak kaysa sa hagdan? So ayun yung magandang nagagawa ng terraces dahil nga yung soil dito mas na-absorb niya yung nutrients kaysa kapag ganito lang siya napaslope, nadadaanan lang kadalasan. So yun lang yung report namin. Thank you.